Jeez, I'm broke. Thank God Japanese money is fake. What's that, boy? You want to attack the White House? That's not very neighborly, bud. What do you mean there's an orphan in the well and that it's not really a well but a well devil and the orphan isn't really an orphan but actually an orphan devil and they're wrestling over which one gets to vor the other one? Woof! Oh, sorry, that's your line.
Don't let it happen again or I'll kill you.
Yeah, my bad, sorry.
Hey there, Denji!
Right, I killed Devil now.
I was born wrong!
Hey, what a coincidence! I can fix that. Jeez, glad that's over. Oh, hey, what's up, Dad?
I told you never to call me that.
Yeah, whatever, Daddy. Daddy-o, Daddy Long Yaku Yak, Daddy Long Yak, Dad Moses Jones? Papa? I gotta walk home now, don't I?